Hey there, welcome to a brand new series where I, another builder in the AWS Community Builder program, Gilbert Young Jr., will be joining me in teaching and guiding you through the use of AWS services for analytical purposes. But wait, that's not all. Guess what? Yes, I am waiting. Alongside Gilbert and I, we have a principal developer advocate from Amazon Web Service who will be joining us as well too in this series, and his name is Curtis Evans. But enough for me, let's hear from other seasoned AWS experts as well too. Over to you, Gilbert.
Appreciate it, Chinwe. So I'm excited to join this series. My name is Gilbert, and I'm a senior serverless engineer at Serveless Guru. In this series, Chinwe, Curtis, and I will be focusing on AWS analytical purposes, and we'll be taking you through a series of labs and workshops so ensure that your AWS account is ready to participate with us. With that said, Curtis, why don't you tell the other viewers what else they could expect in this series?
Sure, Gilbert. I'm thrilled to be joining Chinwe and Gilbert in this educational series. My name is Curtis Evans, and I'm a principal developer advocate at AWS. Just imagine, you're the new data analyst at a company tasked with creating the pipeline that collects, stores, and processes loads of business data. Plus, you need to deliver reporting analysis and visualization of key insights for internal and external stakeholders. If this describes you, then join us to learn how services like Amazon S3 can store the data, AWS Glue can transform the data into an optimal format for analysis, and AWS QuickSight for visualizing the data. And that's just the beginning. Trust me, there's a lot more.
You definitely do not want to miss any of this live streaming session, guys.
See you there.